everybody, this is a quick fix video. Now this is for you, even if you watch YouTube, you're only viewing YouTube, watching YouTube videos, and or you're new as a YouTube creator, you're uploading videos to YouTube and your videos are blurry. So it's both, okay? You're watching YouTube, so how to fix blurry videos, and or you're a YouTube creator, you're uploading videos, but you start noticing when you upload videos, your videos, once they hit YouTube, your videos are a way lower quality. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this on both sides, as you just watch videos or you're a YouTube creator and you're uploading videos. So lo and behold, let's get rocking and rolling, because I don't wanna be long-winded with this, and this is a quick fix to kind of navigate what's going on. So this might fix it 100% for you. So let me show you an example. I'm over on YouTube and I'm gonna take my channel, I'm gonna use my own video, because that way there's no copyright issues or anything else like that. And let me mute this, that way we don't hear the sound. Let me play this video. This actually happened to me. I just upgraded my home office here in my remote office here in Thailand. So I got a computer here, a screen here, my laptop's running behind me, doing this thing behind me. So I got 3 computers going on here. Plus Aang is working in the living room with my Chromebook. So I got like 4 computers here. So that way I'm doing multiple things. But what happened was, when I upgraded and I brought in window PCs, and I was testing out my new webcam, my new mic and camera. Once I did a video, and it was this video right here I'm showing you, it was great, perfect. It was pretty much perfect HD quality. And once I put it over on YouTube, it was blurry as hell. And this is how blurry it was. Let me show you. Look how blurry it is. I was like, what's going on? At first I thought it was my setup. First I thought it was the camera. And I knew it wasn't the camera, because it was, when I saw this on YouTube, I was like, what's going on? Let me show you what the video was. Let me put this over here. This is the very first video I am making as far as... This is the video right here. Like, look at the quality here. Look how clear it is right here versus this blurry one over here. So I knew something was going on. I was like, why is it so much blurrier over on YouTube? So let's go back over here so I can show you how to fix this. Now, this is the fix for both. Even if you want to watch YouTube, like I said, or you're new to because you're trying to build a YouTube channel. So when I play this is blurry. So this is an easy fix. So if you go down here to this little wheel here, taskbar here, if you click on it, go up this quality. Now on quality, you'll see right away, it's coming out 144p. Okay, that's pretty low, and this is how it actually came over to me. But if you go clear up, you can do 720p, you can go 1080p, HD, because I uploaded this as HD quality. So if I hit HD, it will move over to HD. You know what I mean? And usually on your system, once you change this will always be changed. It will always move over to you as HD quality. So that's how you fix it. So if you're watching YouTube, this is a quick fix, because now you're watching it at the best quality, or best quality for your device. Plus, if you're a YouTube creator and you're uploading videos and you're noticing a drastic drop in quality of your videos, you need to do this, because if this works, all it means is it's not your video, it's just a playback. It's just a playback, how you're playing it back on your system. If you're running on your phone, your iPad, you know, a laptop or a PC, you just have to adjust it to see if it's actually working. So that's what I did. You know, I just adjusted it, and you know, it uploaded as HD quality. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, just because. So sometimes YouTube keeps on updating, and sometimes they update everything at auto, and that auto resolution, they just keep on lowering that auto resolution, and some people just don't know the quick fix, how to adjust it. They just kind of blame the YouTube creator. They just kind of blame, like, oh, post better quality videos, but you can actually adjust it on your side. It has really nothing to do with me as a YouTube creator, or building a channel, building a brand. You know, I have to do the same thing on my own systems. But anyway, just want to help you out, want to share that quick little tip with you. Of course, comment below. If you have any more questions about things, comment below. I'll help you out. Remember, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.